नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका नए वीडियो में। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डेवलप स्टोन पेपर सीजर गेम। सो गेट सेट कोड। Import random module. Make a game list. Take a user choice as input. And convert this into int. So we should do it directly. Enter 0 for rock, 1 for paper, 2 for scissor. Print the user choice. Print game user choice. Now we will take a computer choice by a random function which will generate a random number between 0 to 2. Make a variable computer choice. Computer choice is equal to random dot randint between 0 to 2. Now we will print the computer choice. Print computer choice. Print game computer choice. Now we have to play with the if-else conditions. If user choice equals to computer choice, print match tied. If user is equal to 0 and computer choice equal to 2, print user win. If computer choice equal to 0 and user choice equal to 0, 2, print computer win. If user choice is greater than computer choice, print user win. If computer choice is greater than user choice, print computer win. Now I will add some extra text like this. I have used rock, I have used paper symbol, I have used scissor symbol. Now I will add more text. Take a string variable us equals to if computer choice equal to 0, US equals to rock, alif, computer choice equals to 1, US equals to paper, alif, else, US equals to scissor. We will add this US with the hair. Now game is ready. Let's play it, guys. We will give a 0 for the rock. Here my symbol rock, computer, so computer win. So I hope you like the video. We will meet soon with a new video. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, जय हिंद, टेक केयर.